Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the new Yahoo Terms of Service for 2025. You're about to see exactly what changed. When you sign in, Yahoo now brings up this Terms of Service window before letting you continue. Most people click Agree without reading a thing, but today we're going to slow down and look at what actually moved behind the scenes. To get started, I'm going to click on Yahoo Terms of Service. That brings us into Yahoo Terms and Privacy Center. This is the page Yahoo sends you to when you click on the Terms link inside the pop-up. I know it looks like a lot, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you through this page one section at a time so you understand what you're looking at and where everything is. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. This is not one document. It's actually a whole library of Yahoo's legal and privacy information. Every item in this menu opens a different page. Some sections expand and show even more links underneath. Think of this as Yahoo's policy center. All their rules, privacy notices, and legal information live right here. Right now, you're inside the Terms of Service. This section is Yahoo's contract, the official rules for using their services. At the top, you'll see Welcome to Yahoo. This simply tells you Yahoo owns several brands. They provide many services, and by using any of them, you are agreeing to these terms. Next, you'll see two bold lines, Limitations of Liability and Arbitration for U.S. users. These lines mean Yahoo limits how responsible they are if something goes wrong, and if you ever have a dispute, they use arbitration instead of a lawsuit. These sections don't change anything about your email. They're just legal statements Yahoo is required to show. Scroll a little and you'll see Using the Services. This section explains, don't misuse Yahoo, don't break the law, don't upload harmful or illegal content, don't impersonate people, don't hack the service. It looks long, but it's really just common sense. Use Yahoo the way it was intended. You'll see words like authority, indemnity, member conduct, and use of services. These are standard terms every major company includes in their contract. You don't have to memorize this, just know Yahoo is explaining the rules and protecting themselves legally. Now click on Privacy Center in the left menu. This is where Yahoo explains how they collect and use your information. You'll see sections like Topics, Products, Third Parties, State Privacy Rights, Dashboard and Controls, Relevant Advertising. These are not required reading. They're reference pages, but I'll explain the important ones. First, let's explore the Topics menu. This section explains in simple terms the types of information Yahoo collects, like your device information, your location, and how they personalize ads. Next, take a look at the Products menu. This page explains how different Yahoo products, like mail, news, or sports, collect data. Each product has slightly different rules. Now let's visit the Third Parties menu. This explains which companies Yahoo partners with for advertising, analytics, and security. Most companies have third-party partners, so this is normal. Also notice the State Privacy Rights menu. If your state has special privacy laws, like California, this page explains your rights. For example, this has to do with your right to request or delete certain information. Now, to the most important part, Dashboard and Controls. This is the section that actually affects your privacy. This is where you can adjust things like personalized ads, data sharing, tracking, activity history, privacy preferences. If you want to reduce how much Yahoo collects about you, this is the page you want to explore. Now let's move on to relevant advertising. This section explains why you see certain ads in Yahoo Mail and Yahoo News. If you personalize your ads, they're based on your interests. If you turn personalization off, you'll still get ads, just not targeted ones. Finally, let's explore intellectual property, permissions, closed captioning, and community guidelines. These sections are not privacy related. They just explain Yahoo's rules for copyrighted content, trademarks, permissions, accessibility, and community behavior. These are more for reference than anything else. So, that's the full walkthrough of this page. It looks intimidating at first, but now you understand what each section does and where your privacy settings really live. In the next tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to adjust your privacy controls, turn off certain tracking, and make sure you know what Yahoo is collecting about you. If this helped you make sense of it, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it. I've got more clear, everyday explanations coming your way, all designed to help you feel confident, not confused.